Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to lesson number 5, advanced joins and dotted letters. Focus will be on the dotted letters and also complex form. We'll be looking at ka and ya connections. Let's get into it. Okay, lesson number 5. Here we're looking at other joining letters also. Let's go through it now. Okay, here we have kaf. This is kaf. This is a kaf when connected to another letter. So you've got kaf connected to ha. You've got kaf connected to ha. And also you've got here the next letter kaf connected to dal. And this is how they look. That's how kaf connect to other letters. You've got kaf connected to dal. Very, very important to know this kind of formation. Then you've got ha connected to dal. This is the ha connected to dal. And here is ha connected to dal. When the dal comes at the end of the letter. And here is going to ha connected to wow. Yeah? They've got ain connected to ha. They've got ha to connect it to sha, to shin, in fact. Ha connected to shin. Then you've got ha connected to ha. So you can see the difference here. This is a ha when it comes at the beginning of the letter, and this is ha when it comes to at the end of the letter. So very, very important to know this. Ha, ha. And very, very significant also to differentiate between ha and ha. You can see here, ha comes at the beginning of the letter, and ha, here is a ha at the end of the letter. So very, very important to separate these to know the difference. Ha and ha. Okay, right. Excitingly, we have a new letter here, which is called a ha marbut and also ta marbut. So the ha, when you put two dots on top of it, it becomes ta marbut. So this ta is very, very significant when it comes to a Quran. You'll see a lot of these has and tas in the Quran more and more a lot. So it's very, very important to recognize them. This is a ha marbut and this is a ta marbut. And this is a ta, only ta, the normal ta. So we need to identify these every time you see them as we go on. Then you've got ta here, normal ta. Then here you've got a ha connected to ta marbut. Ha, ha. You've got sin here connected to ta marbut. Sin, ta. And you've got here sin, ta also. And you've got ha, ta. Right, now we'll also look at lam. Here is lam. This letter here, as you can see, this is one lam. And lam has got a big belly. And lam, just like other letters also, they'll connect to other letters. So this is lam connected to mim. Lam connected to mim. Lam connected to dha. La to dhat. Lam connected to dhat. Lam connected to ta. Lam connected to ra. Lam connected to waw. And lam to zay. Lam to la. Mim to lam. And sin to ra. And shin to za. Going forward also, we'll be looking at meme, how it connected to other letters also. When you connect meme with another meme, this is how it's going to look. So a small meme here connected to the meme that comes at the end. Swad to meme. This is how they look. So identify them. Oh, this is swad and this is the meme. Ain here connected to calf. This is calf. And you can see this calf here. It's the same as this calf. But this scarf, when it is a standalone, and this scarf when connected to other letters. Okay, so very, very important thing to know. And you've got Ghain and Nun. Ghain and Nun. Okay, you've got Fa and Fa. Very, very important to understand the difference between Ghain and Fa. They look similar, but they're not the same. Then you've got Qaf and Ta. Qaf and Ta. Lam and Sin. Lam and Q. Qaf, lam and qaf, lam and jim, lam and jim, and sin and jim. All right, let's recap all these things together. Kaf ha, kaf dal, kaf dal, ha dal, ha dal, ha wow, ain ha, ha shin, ha ha, ha ha, ha, ta, 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 ha ta, sin ta, sin ta, ha ta, lam, lam mim, lam bod, lam ta, lam ra, lam waw, lam za, mim, lam, sin ra, shin za, mim, mim, swat mim, ain kaf, ghain nun, fa sa, qaf ta, lam sa, lam sin, lam qaf, lam jim, sin jim. Thank you very much for attending to this class. I'll be happy to see you in the next lesson that is coming. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.